Welcome to our world of expertise and unbeatable warranty. At Diamond Custom Shutters Inc., we take pride in our commitment to providing top-notch products and exceptional customer service. Our dedication to excellence sets us apart from the competition, making us the go-to choice for all your needs. With years of industry experience, our team of experts has honed their skills to ensure that every product we offer meets the highest standards. From design and manufacturing to testing and quality control, we leave no stone unturned in delivering reliable and superior products. But our commitment to you doesn't stop there. We understand that our customers deserve peace of mind, which is why we offer an unparalleled warranty like no other. Our warranty program is designed to protect your investment and provide you with the confidence that you're getting the best value for your money. Whether it's a small blind for a quick window covering solution or larger and heavier items like window shades or shutters, our warranty ensures that any defects or issues will be addressed promptly and efficiently. At Diamond Custom Shutters Inc., quality and customer satisfaction are at the core of everything we do. We strive to exceed your expectations, providing products and services that make a difference in your daily life. So why settle for anything less? Discover our commitment to expertise and an unbeatable warranty today, and experience the highest professional and quality custom-made difference for yourself with Diamond Custom Shutters Inc. Today, relax and rest comfortably with a 25-year warranty on shutters and 5 years on blinds. See the link in the description for our 99% positive reviews, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel.